What is physiology? I am going to answer this using an analogy between computer and human body. A computer is made up of parts like a monitor, CPU and a keyboard. An expert who studies the computer parts is called as a hardware engineer. Similarly, human body is made up of parts or organs like brain, heart and kidneys and so on. And a person who studies the structure of human organs is called as an anatomist. How a computer part will function is determined by the codes in its operating system. Similarly, the functions of human organs are decided by the genetic codes in its genome. The genome is a collection of all the genetic information in an organism, which directs how the body must work. Let us consider an example. One of the functions performed by the computer in front of you now is playing this video, and this function is an outcome of multiple underlying processes like downloading the video, decoding it, producing the output to the screen and the speakers and so on. If you open the task manager, you will see the list of processing running at any time. Similarly, one of the functions performed by your body now is watching this video. This function is made possible by hundreds of underlying processes like visual transduction and processing, auditory transduction and processing, and like comprehension memory and so on. At any time, your body organs are performing so many functions like breathing, digestion and many more, and each function involves coordinated processes. The focus of human physiology to understand this function and processes responsible for it. Human physiology is the study of functions in the living system is the simplest answer. The aim of physiology is to understand the underlying mechanisms or to explain the processes which is responsible for the functions. In other words, physiology tries to answer how the cell organs and organ system works and how they interact with each other to produce a function at the organism level. What is the word origin? Physiology. You might have noticed the resemblance between the words physics and physiology. There is a reason for that. The word physiology can be traced back to the ancient Greek words physis and logos, which means nature and philosophy respectively. Natural philosophy is the precursor of the field natural science. Natural sciences deals with the study of all natural phenomena existing in the universe, both living things and material universe. Both physics and physiology are part of natural sciences. Physics deals with the material universe and the physiology deals with the functions within the living systems. Study of all life phenomena is called as biology. The branch of biology which studies the logic of life is physiology, and physiologists try to answer the hows and whys of biology. The term physiology itself was coined by French physician Jean Fournier, who suggested it to be physiologia in French. In English, it becomes physiology. Levels of organization. In this human physiology course, we are going to study functions at various levels of organization. Some topics like a membrane transport is cellular level, and some are tissue level like peristalsis in smooth muscle tissue. Some topics like gastric emptying at organ level, and functions like digestion is studied at organ system level, and certain functions like glucose homeostasis at entire organism level, which involves multiple organ system. The chapters in this course are divided according to organ system and the major focus. According to organ system and the major focus, our major focus will be on organ level functions. Now we are going to discuss some integrated functions also. In this course, we are going to focus on the concepts which are essential for understanding medicine. This branch is called as medical physiology, and it is the foundation for modern medicine. When a human body deviates from its physiology, it is called a diseased state, a pathological state. The aim of medicine is to bring back the body from diseased state to its normal physiology. That is why study of medicine begins with the study of its foundation, medical physiology. Physiology is an experimental science. All our knowledge in physiology comes from experimentation and mainly animal experiments. Research in physiology advances our understanding of the detailed mechanisms that control and regulate the behavior of living things. Claude Bernard is considered as the father of modern physiology. He is known for promoting experimental medicine. He also gave the most important concept in physiology, that is, maintenance of a stable internal environment. That is the topic of our next lecture. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comments.